Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. Okay, so today we are going to do a wrapping tutorial, and that is this one. This I'm going to call the pillar because it's kind of like that. And actually, you know what happened? About 2-3 weeks ago when I'm filming this, I had filmed a wrapping tutorial similar to this, and that was actually one of the videos that got lost by corrupted data, and then I couldn't refilm it because then was the launch of my Leorah kit and everything was like, ooh. So anyway, now I wanted to refilm it and I cannot figure out how I did it back then, because for me really the inspiration for a wrap is like bloop, like a bloop in my brain, and then it's there and then I have to film it or it gets lost and maybe it'll come back. So let's all just hold on to hope that the other wrapping tutorial idea comes back, but this one is good too. Okay, so anyway, this of course, this whole video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied everything that is wrapping related that you're seeing here. And of course, I'm going to introduce these beautiful scarves to you in just a second. Also, I want to do something different today because usually I film this whole thing in segments, and then at the end, when I'm done with filming the tutorial, I film the intro. Today I want to just do the whole thing in one go because I want to see if that is nice, you know? So actually I also wanted to show you with this that basically when I'm taking this off and I'm rewrapping it for you, that it looks different, you know? Because it's always going to be a little bit different if you're using scarves that have patterns, because depending on how they fall or how you fold them or all of that, that is how it's gonna look. Okay, so anyway, so this is the first look, and we're going to of course recreate the whole thing, the same thing, and I'm going to show you in a second, and I'm going to also introduce the scarves to you. This you might recognize because you probably saw this just now when I launched my latest Leorah kit, because this is part of my latest Leorah kit. Let me just take it all down. So let us start with this one, because for me this is like the star of the show, because that is, you know, that's why I chose it for my kit, because it's so beautiful. Okay, in case you're wondering, I am wearing the Wendy shaper, which has been for like the last 2.5 years or something my one and only to-go-to shaper. And I also need to include something because it's so sweet, because I have been actually contacted by some of you who have been into smaller shapers, and you told me, or some of you told me, which is so sweet, that because of me raving about this shaper, you just thought, I'm gonna give it a try, and now you're in love. And now you said like, well, now we understand, you know, because this is, since the creation of shapers, this has been, I don't know, this has been the best thing. Okay, so anyway, let us talk about this one. This is a Lakeshore Bliss. Now this is exclusive to my kit, so you will not find this on the Wrapunzel website in this color. This is the color magenta, but you will find different colors in the Lakeshore Bliss, of course, on the website in case you're interested. Okay, so this is the first one that we're using. It is, for me, this is a pashmina. You know, I wouldn't call this a scarf. For me, this is a pashmina, but it is super lightweight. It is not a thick winter pashmina. It's kind of thinner, okay? It's not like super thin like a scarf, but it is not a super thick winter pashmina. Does have fringes, and of course the color scheme, as you can see, this is how it looks. I'm sitting far back today because the wrap is so high, so I'm not extending over the frame, I hope. Okay, so this is what it is, and I'm just going to sort of put this over my shaper, and now I'm just moving it up a little bit and flipping it in the front, so I don't have too much material in the back, okay? So both ends should be hanging down more or less the same on both sides. And I'm just going to layer it nicely over my shaper and cross over behind my head, like this, and adjust my mirror a little bit. All right, and now I'm just going to pull it up and tie a knot up here. Okay, so for now I'm going to leave it hang here, maybe. It's not very flattering right now, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so let us also talk about this one. Now you can, for this wrap, just use 2 scarves. I just want to use 3 because I want to, okay? So this here is the Layers of Love scarf. This is in the color Dusty Rose, which it is. I think it's very fitting. It's a very soft, gentle color scheme, which I think a lot of people will like. And I just like to pair it up with something super strong, because for me personally, if I'm wearing just this scarf, it might wash me out a little bit, you know, because it's sort of, some of the colors here are very close to my skin tone, and I need to put down a frame because I think that's more flattering for me, you know. So this is my frame basically. Okay, so this is the scarf. It is also pashmina size. It does have fringes. And yeah, and this is how it looks. Okay, so you do have basically lines, you know, in that color scheme. All right, so that is that. Now I'm going to just like bunch it up like this. And the other scarf that I'm going to use is the Tailored Perfection scarf in the shade Wine, or in the color Wine. Now this one, let me just open this up so you can see it a little bit better. This is a thin scarf. You can see that it's also not like 100% opaque. You can see my arm through it and the lighting, right? So this is how it looks, and you do have one side that is with the stripes, and then you have one side that has this kind of a pattern, okay? And it goes the whole length of it, and you do have baby fringes on both sides, like really tiny baby fringes, okay? I don't know if one calls it that way. I just call it that way. And then you do also have like gold thread in it. Maybe I should just try to show you. I hope you can see it. All right, so anyway, this is the scarf. It is big. It's a good pashmina size, really nice. And the good thing about this scarf is that you can just use it if you fold it like I had folded it before. If you fold it in half, then you can use also either this side or this side, especially when you're using smaller shapers than the Wendy, because with mine, this is not going to cover the whole shaper when you're using just half of the width of the scarf, okay? So anyway, I'm going to also bunch this one up, if I can figure it out. Okay, so let me just bunch this up, and now I'm going to combine it with the Layers of Love scarf, like this, and I'm going to place both of them behind the knot of the Lakeshore Bliss, like this. All right, and now it is really, now you see why it's always going to look different, because depending on what pattern comes out while you're wrapping, it's always going to look a little bit different, okay? So now that I've placed this one down, these two, okay, now that I've placed those down, I'm going to flip this one to the back. Okay, I'm going to cross these two over behind my head like this, and now I'm going to just put them down here. All right, now I'm going to hold this. Wait, first of all, it's an important step that you push it like this, so you have one coming out towards the back and one to the front, instead of them coming out like this, okay? So just push them a little bit like that, because it's going to help you later. All right, now I'm going to hold them up like this, and then I'm going to take one strand of those, it doesn't matter which side you start with, and I'm going to bring it up in front of this pillar here, okay, in front of it, like this. Switch hands, and then I'm bringing it behind the pillar. See what I'm doing? And then I'm just tucking it away here. So basically, whatever comes up from here will go around the pillar and go back to the side where it came from. All right? So that's how it looks. Now you do the same thing with this. Now is the time to just tug it a little bit, so you get some strength in the wrap. I don't know if one says it that way. So here I'm just going to pull out maybe the Layers of Love scarf a little bit, so it doesn't get lost, like this. Okay, and now I'm basically doing exactly the same thing. I'm bringing it in front of the pillar, bringing it around the pillar, and I'm tucking it away here, right from where it came from, basically. Okay, so now I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. I think I could have maybe even pulled it tighter a little bit, because this sits a little bit loose, but it's not going to budge. So that's okay. Okay, so now we do have these loose ends here, okay? So now basically the one that is the top one, you can put towards the front, and then you take the other one that is going to be on the bottom basically, and you fan it out, and I sort of roll it in, and then I'm just going to tug it away. Now this you can either do super neat, or you can be like super flowy about it and like feel like relaxed about it, because depending on that, it is also going to create a mood in the wrap, you know? So you can even like leave this hanging out or whatever, you know? So whatever. I can, in the beginning of the video, I had it all tucked away like this. And this is how it's gonna look, or you just leave some tassels hanging out. Wait, fringes, it's not tassels, fringes. All right, so anyway, if this is too high for you, you can also sort of push it down a little bit, you know, because of course you can move them a little bit. There is not super much you can do, because the whole style of the wrap is of course a pillar, you know, it's going to be a high wrap, but it's also going to be a little bit smaller if you just use one scarf for the second part, you know? Okay, and also of course if you're using a smaller shaper, it's going to be a little bit smaller. I should also mention that my Wendy shaper is a little bit overstuffed, because I personally like that. So if you're using a Wendy shaper the way it comes when you order it, you might have a bit of a smaller result also. Okay, so this is basically how it looks, and now I'm going to turn around and show you. Yeah, so this is cute. It's cute. It's not what I had originally planned, but this is how I wrap, you know? I don't overthink it. I'm not trying to make anything stick in my brain, because it's creativity, you know? So that's why I also do not necessarily recognize other, I don't know, other wraps that I did 2 years ago. It's, for me, it's always a new creation, and I don't know. It's just how my brain works. What can I do? Okay, sweeties, I hope you did enjoy this. Please leave me a comment, of course, in the comment section down below. And of course, you will find everything that I've used linked in the description box. Again, this one here, I'm going to just link the Lakeshore Bliss, because I cannot link you this one because it's part of the Leorah kit. And thank you, by the way, for everybody who wrote to me that you bought the kit, because it's so sweet. Thank you so much for the love and support. I'm so thrilled that you're loving my kits. So anyway, that is that. Of course, you will also find all the contacts for Wrapunzel in the description box, also their social media, also my social media if you're watching this on my channel. And besides that, of course, I would love it if you were to subscribe, because we're such a loving bunch here, and it's just a good place to be, a very positive, supportive place, and a very creative place, and that is just good, you know? It's definitely just good. Okay, besides that, also, you can use my discount code that I have with Wrapunzel if you want to order something. It will give you 5% of your order, and it is Queen Leorah in all caps, in one word. It's affiliated, so if you want to support me in that way, thank you so much. Besides that, if you do upload pictures on social media, please don't forget to tag me, because I definitely would like to see what you're doing with the wrap. And I shall see you here next time for my next video, which is going to be super soon. And up until then, definitely go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.